Welcome back to my YouTube channel, Caramelo Official TV. Today, I came with Itel S23 4G, but before I got to that, last 4 months, Itel have launched the Itel A60. But on March, Itel released the Itel P40. Now, Itel have launched the S23 with a very nice looking box. When looking at the phone came with 50 MP rear camera first in history, because Itel haven't provided 50 MP rear camera for the first time. This is the first Itel phone to have 50 MP rear camera. It's not only the 50 MP rear camera, the side mounted fingerprint. But before we go to that, please give me a favor, hit that like button and also turn on the notification bell on this video below. I hope you have done that. Just turn on the notification bell and like this video. Now let's go for the unboxing experience. So let us move to the unboxing of this phone now. Stick around to find out. Now this is the box. I'm going to unbox the phone. Let us unbox the phone first. Wow. This. Wow, this is the phone. This is the phone. This phone came with 128 gig of internal storage and 8 gig of RAM and 4G network with 6.6 inches display. But before we got to that, wow, this impressed me so much. Wow, we're gonna get this nice looking case that fits the phone perfectly, but it doesn't cover the rear of this smartphone. This phone impressed me because of
30Hz refresh rate. Now you get the S-Pack pamphlet,
the USB Type-C cable to charge up this smartphone, the earpiece, and the 10 watts fast charger. And you're gonna got this SIM card ejector. So this is for the SIM card. But the phone take a while it went on in. But that won't be a problem. That won't be a problem.
Now this is the phone. The Itel S23 4G came with Android 12 on the box, not Android 13. So I'm going to explain all the things you have to know about this device, so stick around to find out. First of all, the Itel S23 4G came with Android 12 on the box, 8MP selfie camera and 50MP rear camera. I mean 50MP rear camera. The 50MP rear camera can zoom up to 10 times optical zoom. Wow, that is great. This is the first Itel phone to come with 50MP rear camera, and the phone also came with 5000 mAh battery, and for the screen resolution is 720 by 1612. Now we go. Please, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe now. Let's move.
Wow, this Itel S23 4G impressed me so much because I may say it's the king among the Itel, because of, as for the previous P40 came with 4GB of RAM, and you can expand it to another 3GB of RAM, making it 7GB of RAM. And as for the S23, this one came with 4GB of RAM, and you can expand it to another 4GB of RAM, making it 8GB of RAM using memory functions. And the Itel S23 4G also came with 8GB of RAM, and you can expand it to another 16GB of RAM. Wow, that is incredible. Moving to the bottom, you're gonna see the charging port, the network cable, and the USB Type-C port and the speaker. Moving to the right corner, you're gonna see the side mounted fingerprint, and the side mounted fingerprint also the power button. This is the volume locker key. Moving to the top, there is nothing on the top.
Moving to the right corner, you're gonna see this sinker rejector. Wow. Moving to the back, you're gonna see the Itel brand. And as for the camera, you're gonna see the 50 MP camera, and this one is just there for display. And you're gonna see the flash. Wow. What impressed me here is because of the back is made with glass. When you press it, you can feel the impression when pressing it. Wow. The Itel S23 4G came with 6.6 inches display. I like how the phone feel like when holding it. It's not so heavy, so it is easy to carry it around because of the weight experience. And as for the processor, the Itel S23 4G came with Uniscom Spectrum C06 processor. It is an entry-level device. Wow! But I won't fail to tell you the facts of this phone. The Uniscom Spectrum C06 processor wasn't a very great processor for you to run all your apps or multitasking or Call of Duty without no problem. So let's move to the gaming test. Playing game with this device, everything run pretty good smooth. I don't see any lag. I enjoy the sound that came out. So tell me the sound that came out when playing game with this device. I play mini miniature with this device. Everything run pretty good smooth. I enjoy the game with 6.6 inches display. I don't see any lag. And as for the Unisco C06, wow, that is a very nice processor. I play game with this device up to 3 hours. I don't see any lag, but what I witness is that it gets a little bit warm when playing game with this device. I don't see any hanging issue. Everything run pretty good smooth. Apart from the warming issue, there is nothing again. Another thing is for higher game like Call of Duty, BMW, PUBG, it can be hard for you to play it on this device because of the processor. So that's by the way. The display is 6.6 inches, 720p LCD display with a 90Hz refresh rate. 90Hz. I might say that this phone impressed me because of the 90Hz refresh rate. Moving to the camera, it has a 50 megapixel main camera, 8GB of RAM, with support of memory features for another 8GB, and a color changing back design for the mystery white color. As for the price goes around 66,000 for 4GB of RAM and 76,000 for 8GB RAM variant. And as for the Android operating system, this phone came with Android 12, not Android 13. Secondly, another thing is the 10-watt slow charger. Wow, the charger slowed down a bit. Another thing is that since Itel S series is among the best device from Itel, the S23 deserves a better processor than the Unisco C06 processor. Another issue is that Itel would have made this phone with AMOLED display, not a IPS LCD display. And as for the using this device for consuming content, so tell me the sound that came out on the comment section below. Can also snap the video. Then if you swap down, the video will go away. It can change its color depending on the light condition when looking at it. This is the first item that is made with glass material at the back. Wow. It changes color depending on the light condition, but you won't witness it because there is no sun. And as for the sound quality, this is the sound that came out when playing music with this device. So tell me the sound that came out on the comment section below. The sound that this phone produces is okay. For each price point, I can't really complain. And for the unboxing experience, these are the accessories that came with the phone on the box.
The Itel S23 4G is a very mid-range device for you to go for if you like what it features. Well, if you are going for the 4 gig of RAM to expand to 8 gig of RAM, it is around 67,000 naira. Then if you want to go for the 8 gig of RAM, you can expand to another 16 gig of RAM. It goes around 77,600. It depends on your choice.
This is the front-facing camera of Itel S23 4G. So tell me the sound that came out and the color that came out on the comment section below.
Wow, like as in like for real, this camera is fantabulously great, man. As in the whole thing, as in the when I say the physique and the charisma, everything is good, man. It's good, it's good.
Yes, so tell me the color that came out on the comment section below, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also hit that subscribe button below. This is the rear camera using the Itel S23 4G. So tell me the sound that came out and the color that came out on the comment section below. Well, when looking at it, just tell me how the camera looked like. Wow, big man, how you doing now? So tell me the color that came out on the comment section below. This is the front-facing camera of Itel S23 using the portrait mode. So tell me the color that came out on the comment section below. Well, when looking at it, it's not too overexposure.
Coming to my conclusion, the Itel S23 4G is a very nice phone for you to go for if you like Itel products, because the main thing I saw here that impressed me is because of the 50 MP rear camera, and for the selfie camera, this one came with 8 MP selfie camera and the 8 gig of RAM. But this one I'm holding came with 4 gig of RAM. Then you can expand it to another 4 gig of RAM, making it 8 gigabytes of RAM. So it depends on the one you are looking for. This is my review of Itel S23 4G. Please, if you find this video valuable, please don't forget to subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell so that you will be updated whenever I post a video like this. Don't forget, subscribe to this channel and also turn on the notification bell. Catch you guys on next time. I wish you peace.